Hi, good evening, namaskar, salam, sasrikal. Today I am preparing onion paratha. आज हम बनाएंगे प्याज का पराठा and we will make the onion paratha in very simple way. I took these small 4 onions. In place of these small onions, you can take a big onion also. It is depend how many parathas you are going to make. I am a single person, so I will try to make 3 or 4. That is enough for me. I took a small ginger piece and chilies and coriander leaves. I will make the chutney also along with paratha. So that's why I took too much chilies and coriander leaves. I will rinse it, I will clean it. इसको पहले clean करते हैं, उसके बाद आगे की कार्रवाई स्टार्ट करेंगे बंधुओं. So here it is. I chopped the onions, green chili and coriander leaves. Plus I made this mixture for making the chutney. I will mix some salt and lemon curd in this. After that I will grind and will prepare the chutney to eat with the paratha. Now let's start to make the dough for the paratha. I took the atta. This is flour, grain flours. This is not maida. Okay. So I just put 1 teaspoon salt because I cannot put the salt here. If I will put the salt here, the onion will release the water and then you cannot prepare the paratha. So let's see how I am preparing. Your dough should be very soft, it should not be hard, because after making the dough you need to roll it and all these stuffs will go inside. You will close that chapati and after that again you need to roll it. If it will be hard, then all this stuff with the hardness of your hand, it will come out from the paratha, so that will not work. So this should be soft. With the soft hand you can roll it properly. I will show you how to make it. This is chutney and onion paratha. Lemon, lassi, dahi, curd, tomato ketchup. बन गया जी, बन गया प्याज का पराठा बन गया जी, बन गया प्याज का पराठा. पूरी रेसिपी देखने के लिए भाई साहब लिंक को क्लिक करो.